Hello again. I hope that all of you are doing well. Today we are going to continue our grammar lesson on misplaced and dangling modifiers. The subject of misplaced and dangling modifiers has always been perceived as one of the problematic ones because people tend to make mistakes in them, including proficient writers and readers. And that's why we need to focus on that, because we need to guarantee that you are going to build the grammar that is good and strong for writing. First of all, we're going to begin with the structure of our lesson, which will begin with sharing of objectives and an introduction, assessment for learning as we go on, and we are going to then switch to Google Classroom to work on a core task, and then we're going to end with a Mastery Connect plenary. For today's lesson, you will need the PDF of Term 3 Grammar Usage and Mechanics, and we are going to specifically focus on pages 64 and 65. So let's get started. Our starter is going to be studying a context in order to reason the clarity and the meaningfulness of it. So let's have a look. Spitting out hot lava, my friend took photos as the volcano erupted. So let's think closely and look closely at the context. Spitting out hot lava. This is a participial phrase. It's definitely describing something. But what is it describing? Do I mean that my friend was spitting out the hot lava? Is it possible? It's kind of very funny, right? Okay, so what is spitting out the lava? My friend or the volcano? Exactly. So there must be something very wrong in this. So in order to modify it correctly, we need to do it as follows. But before I give you the answer, let's give it a try.